Hi, my name is Catherine Carter, and I'll be going over my comprehensive care project for my patient, Maya Howard. Maya is a 20-year-old female, a part of the dental assisting program. She is female, and she is a biracial descendancy of African American, Venezuelan, and Puerto Rican. The first thing I like to go over, and it is mentioned frequently in her clinical documentation um, and the paper associated with this project. This is number 30, her porcelain fused metal crown that does cause her sensitivity. She's had it for some years now. So we do see in radiographs periodontal, what I believe to be stage 1, as well as some root decay. So I did advise periodontal advisement on that as part of a treatment plan. It does cause her sensitivity. This was rather shaky image of the intraoral, but I was unable to get one with the care review, which is what I preferred. Within the treatment plan, I did suggest a removal and replacement, but um, I kind of would maybe assume or indicate an implant or bridge, removal and bridge. I feel like there's multiple ways to go about this according to the preference of the customer. This next finding here was not a complaint, but it was something that I found interesting while taking impressions and pouring the gypsum, because these here are her rugae, her palatal rugae, and they're actually flaps. So I wonder if it's just due to the dimensional size. When I was taking impressions and pouring gypsum, I would get a hole right there in that palatal region, which showed a little bit of what did I say, difficulty, but we got through it. I just wanted to share that with you guys. This is something that I researched because I had never seen it before. So I took a picture. This is what we call pigmented papillae of the tongue. And it's basically because she is African American Hispanic descent, which do have more pigmentation in their myelin or more myelinated skin. That is due to the pigment changes on her tongue. So there's nothing, no disease, no conditions. It just has to do with her heritage, heredity. Okay. And here you can see again her beautiful rugae, but the reason I put this up was one of her other major concerns, other than the PFM, was the mesiolingual rotation of 7, 8, and 9. You can see that that misalignment there. And she does want lingual bonded brackets. That's what she would prefer, but there's other methods you could do Invisaligns for something this minimal, because it's not a severe case. Um, oh, something else I wanted to note on this picture as well. We do have impacted third molars that need to be removed before, in my case, I would suggest before doing orthodontic treatment, because it is known that the eruption or attempt of eruption will cause crowding or the mesiolingual rotation. Okay, here is another example of something that I noticed on Maya during this extra intro photo, was that she does have an open bite at the canine, and I do believe that orthodontics would help alleviate that as well. Alrighty, I think that is it. Oh, the last slide here I have is of Maya's beautiful smile. Isn't she just gorgeous? All right. Merry Christmas. Yeah, have a great night.